Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you how to make easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make ricotta pancakes. These are perfect for those Sunday mornings, and we're going to top it off with this special lemon sauce, so you don't even need syrup. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start, I have my large bowl. We're going to start adding our wet ingredients first. So I have a cup of ricotta in here. I'm going to add to that 1 1/4 cups of milk. I'm going to add 1 whole egg and then 2 egg whites. And we're going to reserve our egg yolks for our lemon sauce. And I'm going to add the zest of a lemon in here because we need the lemon juice, so it's just easier to add the lemon zest right now. So I'm going to add the juice of our lemon. 2 tablespoons of light vegetable oil, and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we want to just whisk all that together. So now that we have all our wet ingredients well incorporated, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So our dry is going to consist of 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm just going to use a spatula just to incorporate all these ingredients until they just come together. You don't want to overmix, that'll create too much gluten. And so using my frozen butter stick, I'm just going to give a quick coat on our baking pan so our pancakes don't stick. And using a spring release scoop, we can just evenly portion and place our pancakes on our pan. So you'll know to flip your pancakes when you see these little air bubbles. So now that our pancakes are all done, we're going to make the lemon sauce. Very simple. And if you saw my apple video, it's the same lemon sauce from that. I just find that it works so many different ways, whether it's savory or for dessert or for pancakes. So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of butter that we want to melt. We're going to use the zest and the juice from 1 lemon. We also want to add 2 egg yolks. And now we're going to add some flour just to kind of thicken everything up here. And we just want to take it off the heat, and now our lemon sauce is ready for our pancakes. So I'll show you how to serve this. All right, so to finish, I added a little bit of raspberries and mint. So we just have our lemon sauce here. We want to just take a spoonful and just drizzle it over your pancakes. You could add powdered sugar if you want. You could also add more fresh fruit. I hope you guys give this one a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And I'd love to hear what you put on your ricotta pancakes. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.